Today, I'm about to show you a machine that doesn't just move. It commands every inch of the road beneath it. This is a legendary Cadillac, a blacked-out beast, a classic king reborn in pure attitude, pure power, and pure presence. Look at this masterpiece. Long, stretched, elegant, yet sharp enough to slice the air in silence. This isn't just a car. This is American luxury from an era when cars had personality, when cars had identity, when cars had soul. Just look at the front end. Wide, flat, dominating, chrome shining like it's carved from silver, headlights glowing like cold eyes in the dark. This front fascia doesn't just exist. It intimidates. And then you see the stance. Dropped low, lower than your expectations, lower than anything that dares to stand beside it. This Cadillac doesn't sit. It glides, floating inches above the ground like royalty crossing a red carpet. The body, smooth as glass, black as the night sky with no moon. Every reflection dances across its surface, as if the world itself bows to its shine. Walk around this beast and you'll hear nothing. No noise, no chaos, just pure respect in the air. Because this machine knows what it is. A symbol, a statement, a reminder of an era when American steel ruled the streets. Inside, the cabin is a time capsule. Big seats, soft ride, endless comfort. Luxury the old-school way. The kind that wasn't created on computers, but shaped by hand, by passion, by design.